Hi, my name is SHIVA SHANKER. I am from Hyderabad. I have completed my graduation in Jawaharlal Nehru Technological University College of Engineering, Mandari, in the branch of Computer Science and Engineering. I have joined Jspiders in the month of March 2025, and I have chosen Java Full Stack as my trainee. And I have trained on front-end by Geeta ma'am. She helped me in building many web pages, and I have trained Core Java by Manjunath sir. Sir helped me in the concept with the real-time examples, and I have trained SQL by Revant Reddy sir, and Advanced Java by Ravi sir. And all these trainers helped me in upscaling my skills, and I have attended all the grooming sessions before the interviews, and these interviews helped me in getting placed, and finally I have get placed. Thank you, Jspiders, for this opportunity.